Here's how to verify your age in Roblox Mobile. Now, first, let's just open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same, and tap on the More button at the very bottom right. After you've done that, let's go down and then tap on Settings here, that little gear icon, and then Account Info at the very top. Now, you have your birthday entered in here, and keep in mind a brand new update in January 2026 is Roblox requires you to verify your age to chat with other people associated with your age. So you can see if I scroll down here, I'm 21 plus, which means I can chat with anyone else that is 21 plus, but not younger people, especially 13 to 18. Depending on your age, you'll be able to chat with other people the same age. However, it says on here, use an ID to verify your birthday. So now, instead of using that facial recognition, they've switched to using a ID. So on here, I'm going to get a code texted to my email. So let's just get that code real quick on here. You can see there it is, that Roblox code. I should be able to autofill it from my email and hit verify. After you've done that, it will give you several options on here. You can see driver's license, state ID, passport, etc., a visa, working permit. Let's say in this case, I want to use a driver's license. It says now I need to take a photo of the front and the back of that driver's license to verify my actual birthday. So let's hit continue on here and then allow, and then allow. And just like that, it will start to open up the camera. Now, all I need to do is take my phone and hover it over the front of that ID with my face here and all of that stuff. You can see auto capture is on, so it will automatically capture it. If it doesn't, I can tap on that little button here just to take that photo. Go through the process of taking the photo of the front and the back of your driver's license or passport or whatever, and then it will verify your age and you'll start being able to chat with other people your same age.